Hello and welcome to Crochet Smash. Today we are going to do a quick project just like this one, the pumpkin for the Halloween. So let us start making. I'm going to make a magic circle, then I'm going to make chain 3, then I'm going to make 8 double crochets into the magic circle. For double crochet, yarn over hook, insert the hook into the magic circle, bring up a loop, then yarn over, go through 2 loops on the hook, then yarn over hook and go through the remaining 2 loops on the hook. Repeat that one double crochet made, then this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now I am going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. I am going to slip stitch to the magic ring just like that, and we are done with that part. I cut the yarn and finish it off. Okay, don't tighten it yet, just a little bit. And now we want to make a stem like this one. Now I'm taking my yarn and making it like a double thickness, fold it over just like that, then insert the hook into the magic circle, then I am going to put the yarn on the hook, say like this, then bring it up, 1, then chain 1, 2, 3. We don't need a too much bigger stem, this one is very small, so I'm going to cut the yarn right there. Pull it out. Now you can tighten this magic circle. Now I'm going to use my yarn needle to stitch the yarn tails back to the pumpkin. The yarn I am using is loops and threads. It is not the quality yarn, it splits easily. But it is a nice pumpkin color. This is impeccable acrylic. It's very cheap yarn. This end too, we can stitch it back. I was making a garland. This is just my leftover yarn. Then I'm making some chains. You can make it like a consistent number of chains and then attach one, or you don't have to do it. It's up to you. I try to do approximately 10 chains. Then I will go and get let us put this one. So where this ridges are there, that is going to be my right side, and this one is my wrong side. So from wrong side I am inserting the hook into the stem and bring up a loop and making like a chain. Just attaching it there. Do like that. I'll show you one more. So that is done. What we can do is then there is the stem, right? The yarn left over from there, I'm going to tie it on top of that one. I'll cut it closer. This also. Just tie it. Very quick project. You can have some pumpkin garland for the Halloween. Okay. If you like the project, please like and subscribe and comment to my video. Please subscribe to my channel. We have over 500 subscribers as of now, and my little channel is growing, and I am happy to see that you are in my family, in the Crochet Smash family as well. See you next time with another project. Till then, bye bye.